Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the dashboard file with your developer account credentials and list the available assessments. Please, make sure you have performed the actions of the previous video before proceeding. To start, click the three dots on the menu and select View Semantic Model. Then, click File and Settings in the upper left corner. Go to Parameters and fill in the developer email and password with your developer account credentials. To avoid accessing data and wasting your requests, set the other two parameters to a hyphen. After setting up the parameters, click Apply. On the left column, access the semantic model. And here, refresh the data by clicking Refresh and Refresh Now. Now, go back to the dashboard by clicking the report icon. The Series Info page should be filled with all the available assessments. If nothing changed, refresh the visual by clicking this button. On this page, you can view the list of available assessments and their respective codes, which will be used to request data later. You may also select a specific assessment to view other relevant information. Last Final shows the last date for which there's final data for the assessment. Has Forecast indicates if there are forecasts available. History Changed tells if historical data has been revised. Default Currency indicates the currency in which the respective data series is shown when not specified. Default Unit displays the unit in which the respective data series is presented by default. Available Currencies shows the different currencies in which the respective data series can be displayed. And Available Units specifies the units that can be used to display the respective data series. Industry indicates the dataset the assessment belongs to. Commodity Specification outlines the specific characteristics of the commodity being evaluated in the price assessment. And Details complements the assessment description with further information whenever relevant. Thank you for watching. Please watch the next video to understand how to request and visualize data.